Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your primary monitor on your Windows 11 computer. So perhaps you have a dual monitor setup and you want to swap your two monitors around. I'm going to show you guys how to do that in today's tutorial, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search icon, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to select the display button, so go ahead and left click on that. And then if you go down on this page, there should be an option underneath multiple displays. So you see multiple displays here. There would be a button here that would say 1 and 2, or however many monitors you have hooked up. Each monitor, the one that's currently selected, is the one that you're currently using. So you can drag them to left or right to swap your 1 and your 2 to make 1 the primary monitor and 2 your secondary monitor, as well as moving them up and down to change the orientation depending on if they're different size monitors as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.